Well, it's after 9 o'clock on Monday the 10th of June over here in Darlington, England, as the sun makes its way off to you lot in Yanksville. Oh, I see there's some chems, of course. We're scarred in places. Over that side in particular, over at the castle here. Bit of a curvy. Anyway, that's the sky. Just managed to catch it before it vanishes. There you go. Damn sight bigger than it was before. It looked bloody diddy in the sky, you know. Park my bum, hang on a second. Bear with me. You can see what we've got here. Lovely and golden over that way. Now if there's if you see two suns there, anything like that, it's because of double glazing. There's only one. A few scars and scratches. That isn't a chem from what I can tell, it's the bottom of a cloud. The only chem I've noticed over there is that one. Bloody mark on window, bird shit. There you go. That's a chem. The others just clouds, and that's a chem up at top, I'd say, that white one. Tell you something, it's bloody quick, innit? It's only been a few seconds. Golden glow. Lovely golden glow. Some marks. Over the Penheim way, hang on one sec. I got that lot. It's just, I don't know, is it cloud? It's just that shroud, or whatever you want to call it. More a shroud than cloud, isn't it? It's just that bloody horrible monkey white stuff that's turning brown. Featureless in places. All the features are over this way. And up to the north. Anyway, that's all I was after, just bringing you a Darlow view before you get the sun. So I hope you guys over there have a decent Monday. Or Tuesday, whichever one you get. All the best from England. That's a dodgy little bit over there. Hang on a sec. Let's get that one.
3 to 1.4 volts, and I never had a problem with it after that.
Dodgy bit of cloud over there.
So I've got big Sainsbury's and buy some stripes.
Right, there we go, lovely golden glow. Right, just a quickie on the haze, or whatever you want to call it, the shroud. It's not cloudy shroud. It's crap over there. Look at that bloody blurred mess. What a frigging blurred sky. It's horrible. The whole bloody lot. Well, let's try and grab a bit of it, shall we? Back my ass again. Right. Let's try and grab a bit for focus. See, it's just blurred. There's only way to describe it. It's just bloody blurred. It's horrible. Just a nasty ton of blurred. Something about it, but it's just blurred, it really is. I hope it'll pick this lot up over here. Right, below that chem. You can't see much on this display. There's the chem. Right, let's go down to there. Just for reference, those dodgy whites. Oh, it's off to the left of that. Hope it picks it up. Anyway, that's just a follow up to the sunset. That chem's staying pretty well up there. Straight across. Plane should have been shot down. I know it sounds cruel saying that when there's people on it, but don't get me wrong on that one, it should never have taken off in the first place. It's the criminals in power that are doing all this, behind it all. They shouldn't have any bloody power, they should all be out. Just ignore that line that's on the outside. See, there you go. That dodgy chem's working its way to the east. The sun's behind the church, to the right of the church at a guess now. It's called St Cuthbert's, by the way. See how the lines are standing out now? Strange, we're getting a lot of bloody strange clouds. I don't know, mixtures. Some black put-puts moving across there. They're not symmetrical, so I won't follow up on them. But right, up there to the left, that bit. Just things I find interesting over there to the right, and grab my reference point there. It's just the way the light's catching them, to be honest. The thing is, anyway, that the frigging mess of blurred shit. Blurred shit, I love that. Tickle me, that one. Blurred shit on the windows, blurred shit outside, eh? A bloody mess of blurred. It's a bloody mess, alright. I'm milking that one, aren't I? So that is moving in from the west coast. over the Pennines. Quite colourful in places, but if I can get that bit right. So there we have it. Bit more blur chip from the windows of Darlow. There you go, and where the sun goes across. Right, I'm off. Things to do. Good evening, see you later.